Hi, my name is Alyssa and I'm with Knob Noster Physical Therapy. I've got my workout gear on because we're working out. And today I'm going to be demonstrating some bounding. So bounding is the act of jumping off of one foot and landing onto the opposite foot. A lot of times I will use this as a first step into a return to running, a return to jumping, working on the force production and landing mechanics that are associated with those activities. Today I'm going to demonstrate both a side-to-side version as well as a forward and back version. Both are very important in our athletes and anybody who wants to live an active lifestyle, as we have to be able to move from side to side as well as forward and back safely. What we are looking for when we perform these activities is someone able to produce the force with proper form, proper support, and then land appropriately without jarring the knee, the hip, the back, and creating more issues from that standpoint. With most of my patients, I like to start in a very small contained range, as these do require a level of balance and control that sometimes is hard to learn, especially at the beginning. Once they have mastered that smaller range of motion and are able to do that pain-free, we will move into a farther distance to increase the challenge, increase the stability required, and to promote really a better control and dynamic needed for running and jumping activities. So today I'm going to start demonstrating our side-to-side version, or our lateral version. So today you will start on the right leg. Your outside leg is always going to be the one that you produce your force with, and then you will land on that leading leg. So a lateral bound will look just like this. So again, we want to make sure that patients produce the force properly. They're not jumpy, they're not wobbly when they're doing it, and then also landing with good form. So good form with landing means absorbing the force with your knee, with your quad, preventing a stiff leg landing that will then jar further up the chain and creates a possibility of more injury or greater difficulty and challenge with those landings, a lot less stability. So then once they have mastered that small side-to-side range, you'll move into larger ranges that look a little bit more like this. Again, we want to check that we're landing safely. They don't have to stay here for a minute, 2 minutes, or anything like that, but make sure they can absorb, control the landing, and then step out of it. So next I will show you the forward and back. So this one is a little more important that we do side to side, and you want to do both forward motion for that stopping or that braking speed whenever we're running or jumping, and then also backwards as a little more of a control, stability, balance sort of option. So when we are going forward, it will look just like this. And then when we are going backwards, it will look just like this. So again, making sure that we're landing controlled, jumping controlled, and then also starting in that smaller range as they develop the confidence and the ability to complete that activity, and then moving into that more larger range to mimic longer jumps, longer running strides, and also some braking type of activities. As always, if you need anything, feel free to reach out to the clinic or check us out at knobpt.com.